Very good. Very malo.
Hello, no.
बोला तो क्या करेगा
Sir, good morning.
And this inscription gives us one of the very old account of Kalinga, not Kalinga is the ancient name of Odisha. So here we get some of the very ancient
Meghalaya, and we study Northeastern
Hill University.
Nehru Northeastern Hills University. So we come for the
How is your journey and how the arrangement did happen and everything and the location wise and all those things?
the arrangement is good. We have come for the arrangement is good. We have come here to see the rocket temple, and this is the first. Here we have 13 rocket in this area. This arrangement is good. We recommend all the university to take this tourist guide. What was that? You can take from the services from Siddhi Kalyani Holidays.
Thank you.
Thank you.